Day 6 of its probe, the Central Bureau of Investigation scanner is firmly on Sanjay Roy and Sandeep Ghosh. Sanjay Roy, the main accused, who has been taken into custody for allegedly raping and then murdering the victim doctor at RG Kar, is likely to be put through a polygraph test shortly. The CBI feels that Sanjay Roy is not revealing the full truth, and that's why this lie detection test permission was taken from a Kolkata court on Monday. What the CBI suspects is that Sanjay Roy, who in no time had confessed to his crime, is not giving the correct sequence of events. On Monday, the Central Bureau of Investigation team visited RG Kar Hospital. They went to every possible unit at the hospital which Sanjay Roy had visited on the morning of the crime, which is 8th of August. He went to the operation theatre, he went to the trauma centre, the digital x-ray room and the MRI room as well. The CBI retraced his path on the 8th morning to try and piece together exactly what his frame of mind was if he encountered the victim at any of these posts or any of these points at the hospital, if there was any kind of altercation which led to this crime, or who all did he meet? Did he meet anyone who could be part of a larger conspiracy? An insider's job is what has been alleged by the family. The other man in the dock, Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of RG Kar, it looks like options are fast running out for him. He's already knocked at the doors of the Kolkata High Court seeking anticipatory bail, and that is because increasingly it seems that CBI is dissatisfied with the answers that he's being given the investigating authorities. For the last 5 days, every day he's been subjected to more than 12 to 13 hours of questioning, and his answers are not coherent. We are told by sources that he's changing his answers from one round to the next. What is Sandeep Ghosh trying to hide? Options are running out for him legally also, because now the Kolkata police has also started a probe under cheating, criminal conspiracy and PC Act sections against him. We have learned from the ground that there are allegations against Sandeep Ghosh of financial irregularities, to say the least. His behavior after the crime was revealed has also led to a lot of questions. Family members of the victim have said that he was extremely insensitive when some paperwork had to be signed. Instead of coming and meeting the parents, he said, "Send them to my room." Questions are also being asked, and CBI is not too happy with his answers as to why the suicide theory was floated, who floated this theory. A psychological autopsy of the victim is also being carried out. Psychological autopsy essentially means a forensic kind of study whereby you try and recreate the mental frame of the victim. This is usually carried out in a case of suicide or unnatural death. In the psychological autopsy, CBI is looking at her diary, at her WhatsApp chats, at her call records, speaking to her colleagues and family members to try and piece together her frame of mind. Did she ever encounter Sanjay Roy in the lead up to the crime? Did she tell anybody what the pressure was, the cause of the pressure was that she was feeling? This psychological autopsy, along with the psychometric and the lie detector or the polygraph test on Sanjay Roy, as well as sustained questioning of Sandeep Ghosh, is the key to CBI telling the court of law whether this was a crime of passion or a premeditated conspiracy to silence the victim.